Yeah, all right. So Javier writes in, and this is kind of a repeat, but one worth re-mentioning. Not sure. Hi all. I'm not sure if anyone has shared this yet, but there's a Mac application called Backdrop from Sindori.com. That's Sindori with a C as in Charlie. That's how that's spelled. That allows you to set up live wallpapers from your curated list on your Mac. You have plenty of options such as nature, cozy, games, sci-fi, etc., and they're all plenty of high-quality images to my eyes. I believe there's even an option to submit your own live wallpapers to the store. The app has been quickly and steadily improved upon, which shows that the developer really cares about the product. My only complaint, and it may just be me, is that you can set it to load on startup. The app defaults to open the background manager window every single time you boot. It'd be nice if it started minimized. However, given the beautiful and lively desktop look, I'll overlook that. With one click, you dismiss the Backdrop Manager. Currently, it's available for $199 a month yearly, or currently to buy a lifetime purchase of $30, which is a no-brainer in my opinion. Thank you for all your work, and don't get caught, Javier.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
This looks cool. Yeah, and
It's pretty.
your own live wallpapers. I love it. Yeah, cool. And I like that they have the one-time price versus the lifetime price versus the subscription price.
Yeah.
Yep.